Hey! Welcome to How's It Channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to create the USA PlayStation account. Let's go! Open your web browser and paste a link you can find in the description box below. Open the web page, click on Sign In the top right corner. Click on Create Account. Click on Start. Enter an email, create and re-enter your password. Click on Next. Choose a state, province from the list. Enter your birth date. Click on Next. Enter a city and postal code. Click on Next. Create an online ID. Enter your first and last names. Click on Next. Click on Next a few times. Check I am not a robot. Click on Continue. Check all the options. Click on Agree and Create Account. Verify your account and enjoy. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!